Hey guys, good morning. It is super early. It's 4:47 right now. I just got here and I didn't work last week, so I have got to get resettled in my truck because, as you know, the week before I drove the side dump, so I'm just bringing all my stuff back in here and getting settled, and we're gonna go move some equipment. We're moving to a new job today. I don't know, I'll do my best to get some shots of it, but basically all day I'm just gonna be moving equipment from either different jobs or from the yard to this new job site. So it should be pretty fun. I always like checking out the new jobs. That's my favorite part, actually, is going to a new job of ours and seeing the progress from the beginning and then how it ends. So, all right, let's do this. Today, finally gonna break out the gloves that were sent to me by a viewer. Nice leather gloves. Should be good for moving equipment. I had somebody else comment, a few people comment that I want to see you wearing leather gloves. So I'll wear my leather gloves. I'm a creature of habit. I don't know if we've learned this or not. I'm used to the other cheapo gloves, so hopefully these will be okay. I'm sure they'll be fine. They'll probably be perfect. I'll probably love them. loading the equipment because we just had so many problems. The first thing is that we had a flatbed. You saw that in the clip that I shot that was in the way. And so I went and helped our other truck driver. I went and helped him strap down his loader, and then I was able to pull past or back out of the job site and then pull past the job and back into where he was. And we got the machine on the trailer, and then it was my boss that loaded it, and because we're trying to get out of there before a concrete pump was coming in. And so he loads it on there real quick, and he shuts it off, and we're strapping it down, and then he realizes he left the blade up off the ground, and he goes to fire it back up, and it won't start, and we can't get it to start at all. And so luckily the blade's only like 1.5 inches off the deck, and we were able to just strap it down safely, and we're going to take it to the shop to fix it. And it's just all around problems this morning. I forgot my hard hat, and I had to go back for it, and it was just a crazy morning. And now I also forgot my sunglasses at home, and I'm just not having a very good Monday. I gotta drive over this curb. It's all good though. I did it on purpose. So yeah, that's my morning. I got the equipment on the trailer. I'm not gonna be able to do all my moves today because I'm just not gonna have time, because the piece of equipment that's on the trailer now can't come off until it's fixed. So I guess we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm not sure. I do have one more excavator to go pick up, a 305. guys, well, I'm back at the yard and I was able to get those steel sheets and those trench boxes delivered to that job site. Pretty easy. I did not get my last load, which is a 305 excavator, which is just a little guy. I was going to get that and finish the load out on the University of Washington job, and we're going to be done with that. But I'm going to do that tomorrow morning and we're going to go from there. So today was a good day. Nothing got broken. Nobody got hurt. We had a bunch of delays in a row, a bunch of problems, and you just got to deal with that kind of stuff in stride. It's all good though. So tomorrow I'm going to get that 305 and I'm going to bring the last of the stuff from the yard that they need for that job, up there. And I think that they'll be able to get going on it and I'll be able to start hauling material after that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys next time.